Ebusha mama akwaba F1 Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe. Then notification also on so that anytime I post a video, it say we are. Ebusha serious allegations be. Course who say Papa be a friend Alfred Mahama. Oni uko yumofia. Oni omampeni no. Ninu no. Oyo omampeni ninu o yumofia no. You see, oni ni tax be free. Eye yumofia presidency honum. Mwakwako atake. Eye gold mine bia. Esisium gold. Any sika. Eye over 100 million Ghana cedis. Na per reports aye nyano. Aye from the same source. No? Apparently, some of the people are more involved in a deal with no or more a national security for our Umofia hono. Na ebusia same way a very, very, very damning report. One would wonder, say if there is some truth in it as a crabby woman, any Ghana hano. I don't know. Ye yam paye. And a yam paye nkwana ye yan so. We need voices of conscience to get up and start speaking truth to power. Because as on my idea, a good year, dear. Just one family. Umofia. Just one family. Ufa ha na yejiwe ama step brother bako. Ufa ha na yejiwe ama step brother bako no fufuro nso no. Then we are in a serious trouble. And most of the projects road construction project muko so ma we mumpo no. Uko site honma cement mu use no. Every company bakubu. Cement no. Uko market no so and yes, cement na the most trusted cement brand. Uko market no so yes, cement na the cheapest too. But because omo a say ninua ewo eye omampeni nti obi antimi kasa obi aye din wa we contractor asa na be ma contract no e say ogitum say o cement no ohwa na obekwa koto. Imagine for once say e abanda dana the same be say esi wo ma menye sure say Ghanafuɔ bɛka o ma no tuma ombeye din.
Ebusia, we are part 2 of President Mahama ni Alfred Mahama. Criminals net tax or masmo free a year Jubilee House. I'm almost by force. Ako hijack the mining concession of Narawa Mining Company. Normal real company nisika. Any gold and them was some 100,000 Ghana cedis. Now Ebusia and some FM there is a new development. Just about 1 hour to 2 hours ago. And a menya into ye. As a company no, ye blow on alarm no. Ye blow on cover no. And some ye debe two jano. Oma shase she mining company no or mining equipment and then that's the honor
obi ani ha say
asefem
no man ni omo shishi me kwa me
ntumi practice akwa kudu no and you see that trommel no omo hye no sa machine na e wo atiro na akwa ne kɔ hɔ no trommel no omo hye ne boarding baako be cost no less than $200,000. So the bag Ghana sikemam over 2.2 million Ghana cedis. And o me charge atum. And yes, a mining company no. O ma ye boni bi. And yes, o money license. And yes, o mo ye illegal mining activities. O mo mining license, active and valid mining license. Almost sign so a year mining lease agreement. Between omo and the government of Ghana, enwu ye ebewu 2029 ton. But because President Mahama, Alfred Mahama, so peda concession no at all cost nti. ni omo de ye company no
Plant no so na.
private individual when invest so much into a business a wafa Ghanafuɔ ɛne omo ye adwuma hwɛ sɛ ne omo ye omo hye mining equipment omo hye mining equipment ha keke na na do danko Akufo-Addo ɛne na busuafoɔ they were so hated by some Ghanaians NDC for and through omo twa to omo so it created so much hatred for them omo no omo anko hijack obi bicycle crowd omo anfa by force and even obi pen and so nkrofo we ma Ghanafuɔ tan omo only for Mahama to become president and I know on na busuafoɔ ɛde tumi ahye omo sa and on my Ghana power ye de amom no omu use the abusing nkrofo intimidating nkrofo ɛde je nkrofo properties omo mining concession if from nsem by force and you see Niema ade we alarming and say there are two separate court orders. Back home, it was issued by High Court, Commercial Division 4 in Accra. It was February 19, 2026 year. I catch the President Mahama and I buy any new Alfred Mahama say, Omo no more 2 or 9 NC concession. A restraining omo from say, Omo be interfere with the activities of a mining company. No. But Ebusia, President Mahama ni new Alfred Mahama a court order so a court judgment so and no masuma tax ama hwe oma kwakọ bu adwumayefo e wo honom oma kwakọ hwuo musika aka ho ye blow omo cover nsem no me de tu dwa no omo ufiri honti omo atwaja ato omo mining equipment mu asefem na sankrofo we mo de mo nka hyen kodu mo se power ensesa da mo se mo betena ba mu forever. The day of reckoning looms, and Obia will account for how to me a Ghana for the show months. I will use soon. Into more than one caution. Now, Busia, Medo Barber call into a incident reporter, a national security for prepare ya or Modia Jubilee House. Now, what kind of incident report now? I say last week, Wednesday, 12 August 2026, at exactly 10:30 a.m. Anna, cars akesia 6. Every Jubilee House, a driver ya ko in sutem mining concession honum. No mu kodru honum no, according to report no. Nipa ne di armed men, heavily armed men. A womu kura pump action guns ne eye machetes. Nipa no mu lidium. One person your friend on Ben and another person your friend Kumi. Sa Ben ni Kumi no. They've been identified as staff of Alfred Mahama, the office. Omu fi Alfred Mahama, President Mahama ni nua no, ne office omu na no mu di anim a omu kodi sa anyambra sem we. Na a policefoɔ nso a omu free Jubilee House. Omu free the seat of the president omu nso omu kɔ hɔ. Ekodi sa anyambra sem no, baako yɛ Sergeant Adu. Baako nso Flight Sergeant Robert Mensah, Corporal Awa Muhammad, Lance Corporal Kunia. Omu nyina omu free office of the president. And there is another guy your friend Eric. Or no, popularly nkrofo friend Malaika. Sa nkrofo we ana ne di sa criminal operation a course on 12 August 2026. No mu kodru hono no. Abusia according to report no. Yesi nsuo bo wa osiabo. The way omo bo workers no. E threaten workers ni intimidate omo. By force omo take you over. Mining concession without any legal backing, without any court order, with absolutely nothing, just because say Alfred Mahama, President Mahama Ninia, that concession. And omo yes man, na company no omo mu gold da omo 2 ewo hono mani omo sika e da hono. And according to national security for omo incident report no, tax ni criminals na President Mahama eso mo omo kɔ hɔ no, omo wia sika no. Omu wia gold no any sika no to the tune of 100 million Ghana cedis. 100 million Ghana cedis. Now omu yes ade ni wie Wednesday no ana omu koe. Inti mining company di omu fin se etu atwa. Ade chinye 13th August 2026. Ana omu sign ba honom. The same people in the same car omu sign ba honom. Omu ba and this time around them excavators wo honom ne mining equipment wo honom na nkrofo we ebayo omube movie be ekoye. And as we speak now, company no cannot account for over 50 excavators. Crofoi area over 50 excavators e de free honum. na since Thursday na omo bae no omo tena ho no ma omo agye mining concession aboso o te weye nra enura na kromu ho mrante ne kan se da bi omo ntwe ana bebre ekọ ho no omo kọ na ye penchen he watimi wakame ana omo kọ ene omo asen aba omo bae a omo abetwaja ato omo mining equipment mu company ne mining equipment mu company a omo nye bone so they want to intimidate them. They want to do everything possible, put them out of business. Sani ebeya President Mahama, ne nua Alfred Mahama, ne nsa beka sa concession. This is the kind of sorry state that Ghana is descending into. How a Ghana pro attitude under this NDC government. Mahama ne nebusiafo. I just want to many and see so. We yet dang and found one near court to beka. And found one say o concession no over license, over active and valid mining lease with government of Ghana. Omo befa kwani asa nyina so agye afiri wonsam. Omo de aye nipa bebre even NDC executives a omo wo infantini subiri so. Omo de adiom Alfred Mahama we e de adiom. Na mo de mo nka hyen kodru. Mamo ma esumu ntomo da. Na de bia me ka kire mo say in 2029 the day of reckoning looms and you will account for how we use power no. And you see how our President Mahama and then I buy omo abuse MPP for persecute for no apparent reason. I that power be changing. More ye born no. More ye born that power be changing.
For papa, one shall go back time and some man kwala ni ebe ka kire wo no. Ebe je wo nsem. Because wo nya achim. We have audios of what we have recordings of what you said when MPP was in power, when another was the president. And now it's not the same tone you are using since John Mama came to power. So, Papa, shut up and go and sit down. Papa, Mama Christo, some cry at time. Me can say NDC power, baby. NDC, Mama Christo, so you very unpopular. And Blanca Williams, you are exhibiting it. Your double standards, it reeks a bomb. Go and sit somewhere. Me hang home. Nanyanku Mary ne kura wo ne ba ne kura wa ni di ne ho sanya mo na obesie Mary no wo ne ba na ni di no mo na mo ti bo ne Mary ba na locate mu no didi a mo fa Mary ba hu didi kura de bi hu bi da and mo nya atwem sa papa bi tira menya mi endege o mi adege ko wo e die be interest na wo gold board ti a wo so mi nya aso no do us a favor. Keep quiet, Papa Duncan Williams. Last week, Kobe this week, next week, Sunday, yeah, but see, I better say, Ghana needs to pray. I need to intercede. We need to intercede for God, but Papa, yeah, no. When you come and walk Muhammad and Kawum, Wafuma, and you have a country, because you understand, my God board. Papa, Bitana. Also, you president, not so. When I say Yankopo, you know, Yankopo Katonia Mubia, you know, Papa. Kwa na wakasa wono president no one for masa won to nyame anim. Leave us out of it. Ye film wo hwe na won to wase akwana ko bisa wo president na wo se nyame yi ne de Ghana no kwana ko bisa ne se e de asem na this year ya obeka kire Ghanafuɔ wana kan je say this for na ye galamse our win member of parliament our ye NDC ni ya bane no ye twa moja gu ni ti so hwe no ama constituency obi bisa se de na no ye no otu gala. Joseph Yamin to way. Yes, that the petition. Attorney General said, Attorney General, and they call Yoko say Yoko Remonata. Emma, they are investigating Joseph Yamin, no Oscar. And yes, I'm not back at today. And the Attorney General's office is telling us, sir, it is going to take time for them to investigate Joseph Yamin to find out concrete evidence. Papa, go and sit down. The people who are busy milking our land and who to galamse, say 99.99999 says NDC for. So please, Yenim sa galamse no, unya bidiwom. Yenim say God board hono. You are affiliated to a company, get a man. Papa Duncan Williams, we are begging you. Please, we do not want to insult you. We We do not want to disrespect you. If you cannot use the same tone, the same energy, will you see? Yeah? When Nana Addo was in power, Papa Duncan Williams, please do all of us a favor. Shut up.